So what's up, guys? I know I was gonna unveil the car, but that didn't go as planned. I was making a couple videos. I made a couple videos in the car. I was planning on making a couple videos outside of the car and do that whole thing. But I guess let's just jump straight into this. So yes, yeah. This video is a few days after Thanksgiving, and let's just say I had a deer jump out in front of me and do this to my car. Definitely not good. It's my tow bill, my phone, my keys. This is definitely the car. It's already wrapped. Was nice and beautiful blue. I'll put some pictures of what it looked like before, but yeah, these things happen, and I know it's rebuildable. Good thing I didn't get hurt, all this other stuff, but now it's just to see what we do. Do we keep it, rebuild it for the channel? Do I get something else? I really just wanted to enjoy this car. Now I will show you a little bit of the interior. Every airbag fucking deployed. Seatbelts all went super tight, braking everything. Yeah. Airbag deployed, bottom airbag, both side airbags. Yeah, it's not fun. Not fun. Only owned this car for 1 month. I literally have never been in a vehicle accident, never hit a deer, put hundreds of thousands of miles on vehicles, put 100,000 miles on a C7. It's just heartbreaking, especially since it's something that I never thought would actually happen. But it is what it is, and I guess we'll get it fixed and see what happens. I'll do a little time lapse of me trying to tear it into it maybe and see what I have. All right, that's it for now, guys.